All right, I want to show you guys the light circuit that we're going to use. So what we're going to do is we're going to take Hercules and Ajax here. And we're going to build this light circuit, which I already built. This is the easy one. So we'll do this first to warm up before we do the UP and the SP. Before we do these two guys. They get a little bit of a different one. See, they have two headlights, a cab light and a rear light. Ajax has two headlights, a cab light, and we're going to put some green lights in the middle. Hercules has a light bar, a headlight, a cab light, and two green guys in the middle. So this is going to be the foundation of all the lights for this. So let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, and we got a bridge rectifier right there. Let's get nice and close here. Okay, so what we got here, we got a bridge rectifier connected to this little pad. We're going to take these disconnects we made for this, these guys, these little JST connectors. We're going to connect on here. That gets us power into the bridge rectifier, out, and then there's a capacitor right there. Okay, then we've got SMD 1 going in series around to number 2, going back into the resistor, back out the way it came in. And then we will add on a cab light. We'll solder him on, like right here, right there. So let's see what it looks like. Now the capacitor is meant to make sure it doesn't flicker, and that's kind of important. We don't want it to flicker. All right, so the cool thing about this, nice fade out. And it doesn't matter which way the wires are connected, you can't mess it up. If I switch them around, it still works. So that 25 volt, I think it's 220 UF, does a pretty good job. As long as it doesn't explode, and that's the problem with buying some of these cheap capacitors. Sometimes they explode. But that's the foundation of how our lighting circuit's going to go. And we'll get that. Now I'll goop that in place and get that cab light ready. And we should be good to move on to the tougher part where we're going to use fiber optics.